Have you ever come across terms in a class or an AI paper that you didn't fully understand? In this video, we're going to explain 20 commonly used terms in the world of artificial intelligence, especially in Python and academic settings, using simple language. We'll start with easier terms and gradually move toward more technical ones. If you stick around till the end, you'll definitely gain a much better understanding of AI concepts. 20. AI artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is when a computer or machine can do something that previously only humans could do, like recognizing faces or answering questions. 19. ML machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI that teaches systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed to do so. 18. Dataset. A dataset is a collection of data used to train a machine learning model. This data can be images, text, numbers, or anything else. 17. Training and testing. When training models, part of the data is used for training and another part for testing to see how well the model has learned. 16. Overfitting. Overfitting means the model has focused too much on the training data and can't analyze new information properly, like a student who just memorized everything. 15. Model. A model is the algorithm that's created after training with data, and it's used to make predictions, classifications. 14. Label. Labels show which category each piece of data belongs to. For example, a cat image labeled as cat. 13. Feature. Features are important characteristics of the data used for learning. For instance, in an image, the number of pixels or colors can be features. 12. Neural network. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain and are made of nodes called neurons that process information. 11. Activation function. These functions decide how neurons get activated, like deciding whether to turn a light on or off based on input. 10. Epoch. Each time the model goes through the entire training data once, it counts as an epoch. Usually, multiple epochs are used to improve learning. 9. Loss function. This function checks how much error the model has made. The goal of training is to minimize these errors. 8. Optimizer. A tool that guides the model toward better answers, like a guide along the learning path. 7. Backpropagation. A method for correcting errors in neural networks by moving from the output back to the input. 6. Gradient descent. An algorithm for minimizing errors, like going downhill to reach the lowest point. 5. Supervised learning. A model that learns using labeled data. For example, if we have 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs, the model learns to tell the difference between them. 4. Unsupervised learning. The model has no labels and must discover hidden patterns in the data on its own. 3. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning works like training with rewards and penalties, like teaching a robot by giving points for correct actions. 2. Deep learning. Deep learning is a more advanced version of machine learning that uses complex neural networks and can analyze very large and complex datasets. 1. Transfer learning. This method helps use a pre-trained model to solve a new problem, like asking someone who already knows how to drive to quickly learn how to ride a bike. If you've made it this far, you can now read and understand AI articles or books much more easily. Which term had you heard before, but didn't really understand? Let us know in the comments.